Major part there. That's a major artery.
Right there.
Major motherfucking artery.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Let's see where we at.
That shit is funny.
There,
Funny. That's the one. That's it, Amir.
It's still tight though, man.
Oh, look at that. That was like.
This the one here. Let's grab this motherfucker right here.
Oh yeah.
It ain't
That's
gonna
it.
be G.
Yeah. That's it.
Let me see. Pull that motherfucker.
Let me get my tip. I grab it.
Ready for the fingers.
I got the pliers.
Yep, that's it. You're gonna like that. Where we
That's the tight part right there too. So.
It's funny how every one rap is Victor. We got like 60
that
of
part
them.
loose right there.
You that fucking gay shit, that gay at all.
So I'm gonna start cutting.
Together. I'm gonna grab my nipple. Dude, that shit hurt. Get you a cold beer.
If we
They
that
still
shit's
on the clock,
about
Kenny?
to rip.
Huh?
Yeah, we don't want that to rip.
They
We
still
don't
on the
want
clock.
that to
Don't give
rip.
them no beer.
Yeah, their hands are full. But if you're getting you one, get me and Jeff one.
Beer, you want a beer?
Get me and Jeff one, though, because we're working hard over here.
Yeah. I gotta keep my hands out of the water. Film this shit.
What you say, Al?
We gonna make it.
Almost there?
We almost
What you
there,
say,
man.
Chris?
We ain't too
Yeah.
far.
There? We there?
We about there. We can see the.
Take this to the airport. They're gonna tackle you real quick.
Confidence.
Yeah.
How many more reps we got?
Not many.